I want to walk to a car show here in the neighborhood. It didn't start off very easily. Vader and Kylo, they like to be with each other. And so Vader wants to be next to Kylo, but Kylo really doesn't care. He continues to walk forward. And so Vader likes to pull on the leash. So I told Maria to go ahead without me. And I was going to walk with Vader by herself so I can, one, give him distance, two, take this opportunity to kind of train him, you know, with little walking things that I've learned how to do. So yeah, there's a car show. Let me show you. So one of the things I learned when trying to teach a dog to walk on a leash is to change directions abruptly and not tell him, so he pays attention. He's been doing that. I'm not going to say he hasn't. The idea is for him to, there you go, always pay attention to where we're going and basically stick by my side. But I think he's realized Kylo's nearby. So let's see if we can continue training while we get over there. Maria's like, what's taking you so long? Well, she hasn't said that yet, but I'm probably sure she's thinking it.
So, the best of the show goes to Sam.
So here they are. Look at all those cars.
Yeah. Tiger horn.
Maria likes the old one.
Tiger horn.
Oh, there.
All right. Next we have on the list. You're out. So it's a white ticket. 1182161. Do we have a winner? Right here. All right. There we go.
It's like the Back to the Future car.
1182161.
Like the Biff's car.
Much, sir. You're
No. Let's not scratch up the car.
Collected 300.
So I think we showed up at the end because they're about to leave. There's some nice cars. New ones, older ones. It's pretty cool. I like car shows. So, oh, if it was black, I would take it home right now. If it was black, I'd buy it right now. Pull out the wallet. Oh no, I wouldn't pull out the wallet because I ain't got the cash. But I would take it home if I could. But yeah. Yeah, pretty cool cars. I'll take this one. I mean, I ain't gonna go fast, but I'll take it. Oh, that sound, you hear that? Oh, it's my favorite sound in the world. Which one do you want?
Oh, it left already.
Which one? Oh, the black Mustang?
Yeah.
I said this one. Only in black.
Yeah.
SS Chevelle. Magnifique. Maria's car is leaving. Let's go check it out before it leaves. The green one right there. She wants to see it leave. Check it out. There it goes. That's cool.
Forward.
Here's another one I would like. That white and blue one. Check it out. It's an older car, yes, but nice. There goes my car. There it goes. Too bad he's not gonna peel out, but there it goes. So we've decided to take the dogs to run in the field, waste some energy because the car show's over. We were a little late. Oh well. At least we saw some cars.
Yeah.
And we got out on this beautiful sweater weather. As you saw in the beginning, we pulled out the sweaters. The sweater weather.
You want some?
I let go of the puppies because she kept walking and they weren't listening, so just let them run free.
One of them.
Born free as the wind blows.
Wait, I have to get him water.
¿Qué decimos? ¿Qué culebras?
You want some water? Vader.
I'm not gonna say they're spoiled, but they got their own portable water thing.
They're spoiled.
Okay, he says they're spoiled.
Go get this. Hey, I'm gonna get a skinny one. Hey, Vader. No, pau pau. Eso, pasé. Rico, no fregué. Qué fuerte está. Así me gusta a mí.
Come on, further. Keep going. All the way.
I'll trust you. Oh, you're gonna put it? Ah, what are you doing?
Probably not the best to try to kick with the phone in your hand. So he hit it, but he won't actually just pick it up and bring it over. This time I'm gonna do it while holding the phone like this. Drop the ball.
Yo toda gorda.
We'll try to catch it. Oh, and hold the phone. Let's see.
Tylo. Tylo.
Yeah, that ain't happening.
Tylo.
They come for the ball, but they don't actually. Well, maybe. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say they never grab the ball. But the little one apparently has a different idea.
Y ahí, negro, que es blanco. Ah, espérate, que le di mal.
Pájaro, vos. Ready? Ah, do that again. There we go. Oh, come on. It was perfect.
That's why I don't play punt returner.
What do you got? What's this? Why are you eating that? No, don't eat that. What else you got? Is that it? So it was supposed to be a video about the car show and everything, but it turned out to be a video about nothing. Just enjoying the nice sweater weather. He's over there, or he is over here. I'm here, puppy's there. That's it. So hopefully you like this short video about absolutely nothing. Just a day out in the sun. All right. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell,
Ding, 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 ding.
and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.